Your Excellency, to have this opportunity to be invited by a serious governor. It is not all governors that would invite me to come to commission projects that I will go. But I came to this because you are a very serious governor. We are proud of you. You are working hard. The work shows. You know where you are going. You are courageous. You are dedicated. You are committed. You are exemplary. And I've come, Your Excellency, not alone, and permit me to request my colleagues so that you know we came as a delegation of very serious people from the Middle Belt part of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I have come to this commissioning with the minority whip of the Senate, Senator Philip Aduda. Philip, kindly join me. I need you to support me. The former Minister of Information, Honorable Labaran Maku, former Deputy Governor of Nasarawa State. And then Barrister Humphrey Abba, former Minister of Police Affairs, former Minister of Interior, former Minister of Trade and Industry, former Minister. And Barrister Mark Jacob, Humphreys from Kogi State. And then Barrister Mark Jacobs, former Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice in Kaduna State, and former legal advisor to the party, Mark Jacobs from Kaduna State. There are a number of others who have come. I've called this one for you to know that the Middle Belt part of Nigeria is together with you. We appreciate you. We regard you highly, and we are very proud of your son, who is showing the level of excellence on what good governance means. Good governance is really to know what are the wishes of the people and to provide the wishes of the people, the kind of facilities and infrastructure and the thing that will make people's life to be more meaningful. This governor knows exactly what he's doing. He knows the wishes of his people, and is using the resources of the state to deliver projects like this that are very, very dear to the community. Kindly join me, put your hands together for the governor. I can't hear you. And therefore, we're here. I come from Niger State. You see a number of states represented. There are many more wanted to come. So we salute you. We congratulate you. We are very delighted that this governor is associated with your aspirations and is providing the kind of good governance that we are proud of in the PDP. The PDP is the performing party. Wherever we have a governor like this who is governing, we are delighted because it's making us relevant. It's making the PDP to be desired. And so we are very proud that this community school has been transformed. And as a professor, I'm delighted that I'm commissioning an educational institution, because education is primary. Education is vital. Education is important. When you want to develop a people, you don't start with infrastructure. You start by transforming the people, educating their minds, transforming their minds, disciplining their minds. And therefore, Governor, you've given the best gift to this community, a wonderful school to train their children. Kindly join me again. Put your hands together for the governor. So, Your Excellencies, very, very distinguished guests, our royal fathers, we from the Middle Belt, we've been hearing news that things are really going on in Rivers. We have come, we have seen, we are delighted. In fact, we are so delighted, we are going to plead with the party they should transfer this governor to Niger State. I can hear you say, no, you don't want us to enjoy the good things you are enjoying. We also hear the good news. We are hearing here, we are hearing there, that this son of yours have done so well that you people are really, as you are working together to promote him. Are we hearing right? Are we hearing correctly? Are you very serious? Are you ready? Will you go with us? Oh, Governor, please run. When you finally do want to run and we know you have the courage to so do, just remember that the good people of the Middle Belt will be very solidly behind you. Because you've been a partner, you've been someone who has really shown the kind of integrity, the kind of capacity, the kind of courage, the kind of wisdom, the kind of dedication that we would love to see. Therefore, we are very, very proud of you. We believe and trust that by the grace of God, God will give Nigeria leaders like you. Because Nigeria needs to be rescued. Nigeria needs to be rescued. Rescued from insecurity. Rescued from an economy that is completely dying off. Rescued from no vision at all in governance. Being rescued from all kinds of bitterness among communities. And therefore, we need to rescue Nigeria. The Federal Republic of Nigeria is one of the biggest gifts to Africa. We have resources here. We have talented people here. We have great things here. We are supposed to be leading Africa and transforming this part of the world into a fantastic, and we can do it. Your governor has shown here that it can be done because he's really doing it and we are seeing it. And therefore, we want to say that it's extremely important that this, in addition to rescuing this Nigeria, we need to together agree to restructure the federation. The federation is too concentrated at the center. There must be devolution of powers to the federating units with the resources and the powers to do the work that is necessary. Look at what is happening here. You have the resources, that's why you are able to do it. A number of areas may have the will, they don't have the resources. Therefore, we want the federation to be so restructured, to be so done in such a way resources are pushed to the federating units so that when you have capable governors with vision and capacity and ability like your governor, we can transform various parts of the federation. Abuja is over-concentrated. And when you do have a government that doesn't have a vision, then the nation goes to sleep. The nation may even be reversing back. But by the grace of God, Nigerians, you have good news. By the grace of God, PDP is coming back to take over power. And when we do it this time around, we'll have the courage not only to rescue Nigeria, but to restructure the federation so that the federating units will have the power and the resources to do what they're supposed to do. But beyond that, thirdly, we also have to really together transform the economy. This economy is too talented. This economy is too blessed. This country has so much resources. We cannot go on with like this, in this kind of poverty. Nigerians have no business being poor. This is a hugely prosperous nation. All that is required, as shown by your governor here, is to have leaders with vision and capacity to be able to really transform. Therefore, we are also determined that by the grace of God, if God gives PDP power again in Nigeria, we will not only rescue Nigeria, restructure Nigeria, but transform Nigeria by the grace of God. Let me now congratulate, together with my brothers here, congratulate this community in Ikwere local government. We congratulate you on this beautiful school, this wonderful school. We are told that the teachers are also wonderful. We know that the students and the teachers who use this community school very, very well. May this community school someday be a community university. I didn't hear your amen. And so it is with great delight that I have come together with my brothers to join His Excellency to commission this project. We love what you are doing. Continue to do more. Don't worry about those who are saying all kinds of things. They don't have time. They don't have the energy. They don't have the capacity. They don't have the vision. They don't have the direction, the kind of things you have. So forget about them. Just move on. Kindly join me. Just say, Governor, move on. Governor, move on.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.